Why is yawning contagious? Unfortunately, the exact science behind this isn't fully understood, but our current best guess is contagious yawning is a marker of social empathy. Studies have shown that yawning is more contagious across people with strong social bonds, like friends or family, than it is across strangers. It's apparently less contagious for people who struggle with empathy or social skills, and psychopaths who lack empathy may be largely immune to it. It's been observed in other primates too, so it may be an instinctual non-verbal cue a group uses to communicate to each other that they are aware of their surroundings, promoting others to do the same, like a survival mechanism.